They say the makings of a queen begin from birth. This is exactly what I had in mind when it came to creating this work of art for Aila Said, daughter of Alya, Manasa, and Sanjeev. For me, it was all about creating a custom piece, the only one ever made. Something as special as Aila herself. A piece fit for a queen. And nothing spells royalty like the color gold. Its textile design was inspired from the intricacies of royal ornamental patterns, made specially from the softest hand-woven Kanchipuram silk. Its true beauty comes from its silhouette, inspired by the nature of organic forms, and completed by its neckpiece that is inspired from the bamboo panels that make up a Chinese conical hat. The packaging in the box has been painstakingly designed with attention to detail to complete the entire package. In the end, what I wish to give Aila and her family is an experience. One that is crafted to befit a queen.